What's up, guys? And guess what happens? I finally crashed because of this damn rain.
Yeah.
Slow motion. But after that, I suffer with sciatica, and it's a nerve in the leg, and the pain runs down my leg. And after that, I landed on my left hip, which is where the pain is. And after that, I felt much better in my leg. And I was like, oh, that's alright. I gained something from this. So ever since I fell on my left hip on that crash today, I felt much better in my body. So hopefully it'll just get better with time. So take care, guys, and more videos to come. I'll be cycling tomorrow about 11 miles, but it'll be under 10 minutes, so check that out, and I'll see you later. Peace.